Why is our blood red? Have you ever fallen down, scraped your knee, and seen that bright red color? Maybe it surprised you. Maybe it scared you a little. But have you ever wondered, why is our blood red? Is it magic? Is it something inside us? Or is there a secret story happening deep inside your body right now? Let's go on an amazing journey inside you. Imagine we shrink, smaller, smaller, tiny, like a speck of dust. And suddenly we are inside your body. Welcome to a busy world full of movement. Look around. These are your blood vessels, like super fast highways. And zooming past us are tiny red travelers. These are red blood cells. They look like tiny round discs, and they are always moving. But what are they doing? Each one is carrying something very important. Something your body needs
look at all the blood cells carrying oxygen.
They are carrying
That is so
oxygen.
Cool.
Oxygen is what helps your body run, jump, think, and even smile. Without oxygen, your body would not have energy at all. Now here is the big secret. Inside every red blood cell is a special helper called hemoglobin. Think of hemoglobin like a tiny delivery truck. Its job is to grab oxygen and carry it everywhere in your body. And here is the amazing part. When hemoglobin picks up oxygen, it turns bright red. That is why your blood looks red. Now listen carefully. Lub, dub, lub, dub, lub, dub. That is your heart beating. Your heart is like a powerful pump, pushing blood through your body all the time, day and night, even when you are sleeping. Every beat sends oxygen-rich blood to your brain, your muscles, and every part of your body. Here is something interesting. When blood does not have much oxygen, it becomes darker, almost bluish red. That is why veins sometimes look blue under your skin. But your body quickly sends that blood back to the lungs to pick up more oxygen. Every second inside your body, millions of red blood cells are delivering oxygen, picking up waste, and keeping you full of energy. It is like a never-ending delivery system. Now, let's remember it with a fun rhyme. Red blood cells go round and round, carrying oxygen all around. The heart goes lub-dub, strong and tight, keeping your body healthy and bright. So, how can you help your body stay strong? Eat healthy foods, especially foods rich in iron. Drink plenty of water. Stay active and keep moving. Take care of your body every day. So next time you see that red color, do not be scared. Just remember, it is your body working hard to keep you alive, strong, and full of energy. Your body is full of amazing secrets. If you enjoyed this fun learning journey, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting kids learning adventures every week. And if you want to turn this video into real learning time, don't miss our printable activity pack. It's designed to help kids understand, practice, and enjoy what they just learned in a fun and easy way. Download it now from the link below and start learning through play today.